Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. I know I've been gone a while. Just going through life. Had to shut down my shop due to the wonderful economy we live in, so I went back to work for someone else, and it's a little harder to make videos at the moment to post for you guys. The more subs I get, the more I can post, and the better we can do for each other, the more I can help you guys out. So remember to hit that like button, leave something in the comments, it really helps, and let's get on with the video today. What we have here are 3 ABS modules out of a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Doesn't matter what edition you have, base model, luxury, sport. The problem you have is these stupid EBCM, ABS modules, whatever you want to call them. You know, there's the part number right there on that. They all look the same. They all look identical. And there's a third one right there. You guys are ended up getting codes eventually for your traction control light, brake pressure, whatever it may be, that'll be diagged and pointed to these modules. The issue that you're going to have is these modules are discontinued now. Nobody makes them. You can't get them through Chevrolet, GMC. You can't get them online or a junkyard. And if you do, don't get fooled and led to believe that these stupid modules can be reprogrammed. Once they're vindicated through a VIN number, they are locked. They can't be swapped around from a junkyard. You cannot buy one off of eBay and have your dealer reprogram it. It doesn't happen. You have to get a brand new one. But again, they're discontinued, so finding a brand spanking new one is damn near impossible. The company I work for now at the moment, as you can see, I got 3 of them laying here. Boxes out the wazoo, packaging, the whole 9 yards. Is we got this Cadillac. Yeah, we can't get rid of the codes, and the module that was on the vehicle was cracked, broken, the faceplate's gone, full of water, and these are all the modules we tried. The only hope that you do have is if your module, again, is kind of like this, in good shape, there's nothing wrong with it, no cracks, no broken parts, nothing like that, is you can send them to these guys right here. Z-Mode X Technology, there's their address. They're out of Canada, and what these guys can do is rebuild the module for you. They can fix it. They can help you out. Whatever issue you have going on, they can actually fix the module. So, yeah, don't let nobody talk you into throwing it away, saying they can reprogram it, they can do this, that, or the other thing. They can't. And if they say they can, they're full of poo, and you should probably go find yourself another mechanic. But those guys right there, great people to deal with. As long as your module wasn't like mine where it was broken and smashed all to hell and back, then yeah, just take it and send it off to Modex. They're online, great friendly people to deal with. Customer service is fantastic. I highly recommend them. And hopefully I can get back to you guys and start making a few more videos to help you guys out. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.